Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. I am finally back to creating more videos. Honestly, I just lost track because we moved to the city and it was just too much going on, so my personal life got into the way of creating consistent videos. But now I'm just putting it out in the universe to be able to create more consistent videos. Anyways, today's video is an unboxing video. So I finally caved in and got one of the most popular tote bags from Polene, and I have been wanting this bag for so long. You might have guessed it because it is one of the most popular tote bags, and I was looking at this bag forever now, and I finally got the bag. So today's video is an unboxing video where I go through the bag, the first impressions, what I think about it, also what fits in the bag, and some outfit styling. So let's unbox the bag. It comes with a dust bag, which is really nice because I love dust bags. It's just so nice to store your bag when you're not using it. It keeps the bag in good condition. So I love that it comes with a dust bag, and I have opened the bag already just to check it, to see how it is, because I could not wait. So this is the Polene Cyme tote in the regular size. Now it also comes in another size which is smaller size than this one, but since I plan to use it as my regular day-to-day bag or my work bag, this size was just perfect for me. I absolutely love the color of this. It is so gorgeous. I also love the shape of it. It is so chic and classy. So Polene is a French brand, and it has become really popular in the past few years because all their bags are supposed to be great quality and are also made in Spain, where a lot of the designer handbags are also made from other brands. So over the years, this bag has gotten really popular, and I honestly don't know why I didn't get it sooner, but these days I'm really into the mid-price luxury handbags, so I thought to give this bag a try. And just looking at it right now, I am so excited to start using it. So one reason why I wish I bought this bag sooner is because the brand recently did a price increase on all of their bags, and so I got this bag after they did that price increase. So I paid almost $560 for this bag, while before it was under $500. But still, I thought that compared to a lot of other luxury tote bags, this tote bag looked really good quality, and it was still a reasonable price compared to a lot of other designer brands. And the way that it looks and the way that it is supposed to be made, hopefully the price is still worth it. So one thing I really love about this bag is that you can make it a completely different shape through these magnetic closures which come on both the sides of the bag. So you can make the bag even wider and bigger, and it gives the bag a completely different shape and just makes it look super chic as well. So if you want to fit in more things, you can also do that just by the magnetic closures on the side. I also really love the stitching on the bag, which gives the bag such a good look, and I absolutely love it. So the bag comes with two types of straps. There are shoulder straps for carrying the bag on your shoulder, and then there are also these shorter straps for you to actually carry the bag in your hand. So that's also nice because you can carry the bag two ways as well. So the bag is also pretty wide on the inside, and it comes with this additional pouch, which is really nice if you want to have your wallet or anything that you don't want to lose in the bag. So your wallet, your keys, any smaller items that you want to be safe in the bag, because the bag does not have any zip closure. So just getting that pouch is also really nice. And I like the material inside the bag. It is micro suede, so it is not real suede, and that is kind of disappointing, I'm not gonna lie. But micro suede is supposed to be more durable and stain resistant, so I hope it keeps this bag looking like new. But it actually does feel really nice inside as well, and the quality of the leather also feels really nice. So just my first impressions. At first, I really love this bag, the way it is made, how wide it is, and I can fit probably so many things for my work day in it. And it also seems to be a really nice leather quality that can last me a long time. But now let's get to the cons of the bag, because I definitely can point out few just in my first impressions that can be really annoying. So one of the things that is kind of annoying to me, and this won't be a problem for a lot of people, but for me it is annoying me a little bit, I won't lie. So the Polene logo is very off-sided. It's not in the center, but again, this is not a problem for everyone. It is annoying to me, but it is not something that I cannot deal with. So that is not the biggest con. But one of the biggest negatives that I can immediately see, and I've heard people also talking about it, is that the smaller straps really comes in the way when you are trying to use these longer straps. So as you can see here, this is already very intertwined, and I can just imagine that when I'm on the go and trying to use the bag, it can be really annoying if the smaller straps just keeps coming in the way while I'm trying to get the bag on my shoulder. So this is one of the biggest cons that I can see, and I maybe need to find a work around it so that I don't get annoyed while using the bag. Another big con, and I already knew about it from other reviews that I saw before buying this bag, is that the magnetic closures on the side does not stay in place. So even when right now I was trying to show you guys how the bag looks when the magnetic closures are outside, it is really annoying because it was not staying in place. So I can only imagine that if I would fill my bag a lot and then trying to close these two magnetic things on the outside, it is not going to stay. As you can see, this one is still in place, but this side is already gone. So that is one of the biggest cons that I can see. Also is that there is no zip closure to this bag, but it is okay for me. But if you are trying to use it as a work bag, then that might be a problem for a lot of you guys. So just keep that in mind. For me, that is not a problem. So to wrap it up, I really love this bag and the quality of it. Also, this color and the style of this bag is really classy and chic. So I see myself wearing this bag as my everyday work bag or my day-to-day bag in the city. I'll keep you guys updated on the wear and tear of the bag over the months that I use it more and more, and I don't baby my bags. So I'll try to do an updated video on how this bag has worn over the time that I use it. As I've pointed out some of the negatives of the bag, if you think that those won't be a big problem for you, then I highly recommend you to try this bag from Polene. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have not subscribed below, please do. It really helps to grow my channel and for me to make similar videos in the future. So see you next time.